Mystery Cash, and for today I will present a one free airdrop and to show my previous payment from my Bitcoin mining platform. So basically this is my channel. This is a brand new channel, how to make money with cryptocurrency. So please give some support, give your thumbs up, turn on notification bell, subscribe, turn notification bell, and like if you want. So basically yesterday I made a withdrawal from this Bitcoin mining platform, and he works perfectly. Recently the Bitcoin mining platform is it's updated. Also they have a app, they created an app. So before 4 weeks I invested just this amount and withdraw all these amounts up, so it's not a little, guys. So basically this Bitcoin mining platform has a refund option, and if you don't like your contract for 1 year, just go to your contract and cancel him, so you will be fully refunded. So this Bitcoin mining platform breaking records everywhere. For just click on this cancel and you will be refunded. So this Bitcoin mining platform is breaking records on ratings everywhere. You can check on internet. And my payment from yesterday is on my account. I try to make a live withdraw, but live withdraw in Bitcoin is very hard, guys, and I can montage my video. So I basically this is the payment from the Bitcoin mining platform, and as you can see is here. So but today I will not talk about the Bitcoin mining platform and some other platform, but how to claim free airdrop. So the free airdrop basically is how to claim it. There is many ways. There is a giveaway. There is a giveaway actually from the bot in Telegram, but this is one, the Solidius iTech. I will talk about this token, but how to claim for free this iTech free iTech token and this free airdrop. But you can activate this bot and participate in of this giveaway from $10,000, and you can find more ways how to participate in their giveaways, but I will not talk about giveaways here, but how to claim the token. So the free airdrop, basically this free airdrop on this token, here is no referral links because I must upgrade my tier to get that. But let's first change my wallet because I cannot connect to the platform. So to claim this free airdrop, you must answer some 6 questions. So I will put the correct answers in description. Also you can come and ask me and in my Telegram group for the answers. That's the I think that's the way how to claim this token for free, but you cannot claim it immediately. You must wait for it. I will pass link for this platform from the Btcbit token. Here also you must go and qualify. You will find this and just click on the Solidius free airdrop and the iTech token. So the iTech IDO is basically will be launched on 28 August. That's for a couple of days. But when you see this, just qualify for your allocation. Must connect your wallet. That's mean. So use a new wallet. I prefer new wallet, and make sure you have some 30 cents or 20 cents for claiming the tokens. But there is two ways to claim and invest also in this platform. This is support by AMA and some bigger channels for this free airdrop, and this free airdrop is taking place more seriously. So basically you can earn many ways: buy the Btcbit token and stake. So if you decide to do that, as you can see, but you can explore the platform yourself. It's easy, but not necessarily mean you need to buy the Btcbit token to claim the IT Tech IDO tokens. There is just a few questions you need to answer and claim the token for free. So you will see this here. Just press it and you will see learn to earn. So just go there. I cannot reverse the whole platform, the whole process, because I already finished everything. You will see 6 questions here. So I will put the correct answer in the correct answers from the questions in description. Also, you can find me in my Telegram group, how to claim this free airdrop and free tokens. So this free airdrop basically will be dropped on 4th of September. So, but you must connect your wallet, use a new wallet. I prefer to use a new wallet. Just connect it and make sure you have the 30 cents of BNB just to claim the airdrop. So this I don't know the price of the token. I think maybe it's maybe will be $5. That's nobody knows. But this free airdrop is taking place more and more seriously. Have some serious investors, and also is supported with the biggest channels and some of the biggest investors like AMA and the whole Binance team, and claim the Solidius free airdrop and free tokens. There is many ways to participate in their sites, in their platform. So you can actually open their platform, and you will see the giveaway from $25,000. That's the one way. The another way maybe you will find in the bot, but I prefer to secure your airdrop and claim the tokens. This is the only way, and I think that this is the only possible way. And if you want to invest in this like me, just 5 BUSD. So if you want to invest, go and stake your Btcbit token and claim rewards after the unstake period. So but like I said, I just want to, here is no referral links, guys. Must basically do everything on your own, because I must upgrade my tier, and I must invest more than $100 to get a referral link. But that's not my point. The point is how to claim this for free. So the 30 cents is not a lot, so for this free airdrop and free tokens, and distribution is for just a couple of days. So basically you can explore this free airdrop site, and basically you can see all future projects. So if you have some question, come to my Telegram group. I will drop links from my Telegram group, also from this free airdrop platform. Like I said, but you must do everything alone. Just go to the launchpad, and after that click on the Solidius free airdrop, and you will see this. Just qualify, connect your wallet, guarantee your location, and after that just click on this button to learn and earn. And I will put answers in you will see 6 questions here, and I will put answers in description, also in my Telegram group. So good luck guys. If you have some question, come to my Telegram group and I will answer. So good luck with this free airdrop and free tokens. So bye guys.